Each of us has some kind of distinctive features of the mole shape, nasal eye color, and so on, but they're truly unique features only rare people possess the body all over the world. In this video on F-Tech I will talk about 10 features of the body which only a few possess. Maybe you have any of these features. Be sure to write about this in the comments. Number 1. Hair curl. In most people's curl of hair on the crown grows by clockwise, but scientists found that only 8.5% of people on the top of the planet, hair on the top, grow counterclockwise. Yet more interesting is that, if you're left-handed, then the odds have a unique curl of hair increases several times. Number 2. Morton's finger is a phenomenon when the second toe is longer than a big toe. 1 out of 10 people have the feature. Interesting that such a detail in ancient Greece was considered beautiful, and therefore often the statues did just such feat. And if you take a closer look at the feet of the Statue of Liberty, there it is, Morton's finger. Number 3. Fold hands in the castle. Sure, you did it, just if your thumbs crossed then like it. The difference is absolutely normal, only that half the people on the planet at this position puts thumb up right hand, and the second half is left, but only 1% of us folding our hands in the castle is not cross thumbs and just stacks them next to. Number 4. All know that the heart is on the left parties, but if someone tells you that his heart is on the right, don't blame this person right away. In a lie, this happens according to statistics. Only 1 person out of 12,000 the heart is on the right, like an innate feature, and usually people with the right heart don't experience special about limb alive like everyone else. Number 5. Each of us has lines on the hand. If to believe in palmistry, then each of them there is a name and meaning, but there is feature of the human body which will perplex everyone who reads fate in the palm of this so-called transverse Ladana eye fold which crosses the whole palm. Only 1.5 like this percent of the people on the planet. This fold is also called monkeys. So, how similar fold in the palm of the hand is monkeys. Number 6. Blue eyes. Similar eye color is much rarer phenomenon than you might think. It occurs only in 8% the population of our planet. For everyone else it's either shades of blue or just different eye color. Number 7. Most of us between the ages of 10 and 25 years old, wisdom teeth appear, but there are people who don't have these teeth at all, and they do not appear even with age, such about 20% of the population. Even more interesting is the fact that people know wisdom teeth at all about the cause of evolution through development. Civilization today, we eat much softer food than hundreds of people and thousands of years ago, but because we simply have extra teeth, don't need. Number 8. Hair color. The vast majority of people on the planet have dark hair. Only 5–10% have fair hair, and many with age they are darker and red, and even less than 1–2%. It is because of the rarity of the long time in European culture, because we have exactly red hair. Number 9 is a twisted navel. Such feature on average 1 out of 10 people on the planet with everyone else's navel looks like. So many mistakenly believe what navel shape depends on how cut the umbilical cord at birth, but it's not so. Navel shape depends on after being formed scar tissue. Number 10. Fingerprints. Yes, and of course, each of us absolutely individual in fingerprints, and the second ones he doesn't have. But there are only 3 types of drawings on fingers, are loops of curls and arcs. In most of us are on our fingers find only loops and curls, but arches are found in only 5% of people. Do not forget to write in comments if you have any of these features. Friends, I want to recommend you, this is my new YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, and grow my channel. Thank you, buddy.